Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Irish Kitchen. So today's video is going to be a healthy veggie mezze. I use this as a lunch dish. It's tasty, it's quick, and it's really good. So first of all, we make a marinade for our vegetables. We start off with some lemon juice. And some olive oil. Some honey. Dried thyme, dried rosemary, dried parsley, dried basil, a couple of cracks of sea salt, and a couple of cracks of black pepper. Give that a stir around. If you're finding value in what I do, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So over to our vegetables. We start off with some asparagus spears, some sliced carrots, some cherry tomatoes, some mixed peppers, courgette, and some finely sliced red onion. Take our vegetables and we pop them into our marinade. Give them a quick stir around, get them all coated in the marinade and just pop them to the side. Now this isn't a long marinade, 15 or 20 minutes should be long enough. Now to serve our veggie mezze, we're going to serve it with a cream cheese dip. We start off with some cream cheese, to that we add some feta cheese. Couple of tablespoonfuls of honey and just give that a blitz till it's all combined. Really is as simple as that, just fill the top of the vegetables once they're cooked. So now that our vegetables have been marinating, we're going to go over to our cooker, pop a pan on and just pour the vegetables in. Get all the marinade out. You don't need to oil the pan, there's oil already in the vegetables. Give them a quick stir around. Cover them with a lid and let them cook for 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the vegetables are starting to char. Just give them a quick shake, they're now ready, and it's time to serve our veggie mezze. So to serve mine, I've just toasted some flatbreads, popped them on a plate, and now we're going to add our veggies. As you can see, they're nice and charred, well cooked, still have a bit of a bite, and looking really well. And then of course we just top it with our cream cheese dip. Thanks for watching. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and just watch to the end for more of my videos.